Brewer LiftMate is a new, affordable alternative to power tables that helps prevent patient falls and clinical staff injuries. This brilliantly simple device will help you take safe patient handling to the next level. Mrs. Gallagher is recovering from hip surgery she had 3 months ago, and it's affecting her mobility. She insists on walking on her own, but even with assistance, she has difficulty with exam table steps. Today, we have a surprise for her. Hi, Ruth. How are you feeling today?
A little stiffer than usual, but I got in here on my own. Oh, I don't need a walker.
This isn't a walker. We're going to use this to help you get on the exam table.
Oh, this is one of those elevator things. The girls I play cards with were talking about these.
Exactly. You all set?
Let's go for a ride.
Okay, Ruth. Just a tiny step here. Now the platform will lift you up to help you get on the exam table. But first, I need you to turn around and face me.
Like this?
Just like that. There you go. You ready?
I think so. Say, this is kind of fun. Boy, they didn't tell me how smooth this was.
It's nice, isn't it?
Oh, feels like I'm floating.
Okay. Now, just sit down. There you go. Now, how was that, Ruth?
Oh, wonderful. I wish everything was this easy. I think I could use one of these to get in bed.
I know what you mean. Now, Dr. Akbar will be right in. You all set? Good. In the meantime, we have another patient to see. So, you just saw how the Brewer LiftMate can benefit elderly patients like Mrs. Gallagher. But think about your own patients. How many of them have difficulty getting onto or off of tables or hospital beds? Let's face it, you're seeing more and more patients with mobility issues these days. Whether they're obese, pregnant, injured, or ill, this is something you run into all the time. Even patients without mobility issues can still experience an accidental fall. And if you're a clinician that regularly assists patients, I don't have to tell you how your back feels after a long shift. These are challenges we face every day. And now, we have a new, effective way of dealing with them. Brewer LiftMate improves the exam and procedure process for everyone involved. For patients, it means more safety. For doctors, more productivity. And for us nurses, fewer injuries. Less manual assisting isn't just good news for our backs, though. It's good news for our safety managers as well. It means fewer workers' compensation claims and fewer patient falls. As you know, patient falls are a big concern these days. So think of Brewer LiftMate as an investment in safety. And speaking of investment, Brewer LiftMate allows material managers to reinvest in the tables they already have. It's affordably priced, and because it's mobile, you only have to buy one device to service multiple rooms. The point is this: the need for safe patient handling is growing more important by the day. Across the board, patient groups are getting heavier and older. Now is the time for an accessible, practical solution for assisting patients onto and off of tables and beds. Now is the time to reduce accidental patient falls and staff injuries. Now, more than ever, lift safe, lift smart. Brewer LiftMate.